create a video script with Jasper AI. From the main page, you will go on the left and click on the Create Content. In the library of the content, you will choose a social media marketing and go down where you can find a video script and you will click on the button Use. Over here, you can just choose a different brand voices if you want to change it, or you can choose different languages. For the video script, you can put here a purpose, for example, educate, entertain, and inspire. For audience, you can choose from the different options. I will go with young professionals, or you can just type it here. And for key points, you can just type it here too, or you can generate the response with AI. So I will use AI for it and click next button. And I will choose the length. I will go with a long video, 10 minutes plus, and click on the next. And if I want to generate it, I have to click on the generate now, and it will create a full script with everything written in it, from visual parts to the voiceover, narratives, and everything in it with the call to action. It gave me 4 parts with different options. And if I don't like this text, I can just highlight it like this, and I can ask Jasper. Okay, it's too long, so I can just go with a single chapter. I can just ask Jasper if he will improve the writing or change the tone or change the length. For example, I want this chapter 4 to make it longer, so I can go like this to make it longer, and Jasper rewrites it. And I can just replace it with original content. That's it. That's how to create a video script with Jasper AI. See you in the next video.